Google Pixel 7a survives JerryRigEverything's durability test, seems better than Pixel 7 Pro. Google Pixel 7a has a 6.1-inch Full HD Plus OLED display. Google Pixel 7a was launched last week during the company's I/O event. The Pixel 6a successor runs on Google's in-house Tensor G2 SoC and flaunts a 64-megapixel dual-camera unit at the rear. It has an updated design with an IP67 rating. Now, YouTuber Zach Nelson from JerryRigEverything put the Pixel 7a through his durability test to see if it would fare like the Pixel 6a. The new handset appears to have survived most of Nelson's different customary scratch, burn, and bend tests. The device did not, however, burn, break, bend or lose its shape during the tests and found to be solid than the expensive Pixel 7 Pro. Zach Nelson in his latest episode of JerryRigEverything put the latest Pixel 7a through a slew of durability tests. The phone is first subjected to a scratch test on its OLED panel. Just like most other phones, the screen protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3 started showing scratches at level 6 of the Mohs hardness scale. It gets deeper grooves at level 7. Like the Pixel 6a, the Google Pixel 7a's sides are made of metal. Nelson's razor blade was used against the volume and power buttons and camera unit. The rear camera module also has a separate metal coating. In contrast to the Google Pixel 7 Pro's glass panel, the Pixel 7a has a plastic rear panel. The fingerprint scanner of the device failed to function properly after receiving scratches. The Pixel 7a has a 6.1-inch Full HD Plus OLED display. The 90Hz refresh rate display remains stable under a lighter's flame for 25 seconds before the pixels begin to turn white. However, the OLED panel completely recovers. In the final round, the Pixel 7a was subjected to a bend test. The device held up admirably under the pressure and barely showed any signs of bending. There is almost no flex at all when bent from the back and again almost no flex when bent from the front, says Nelson. He claims that Pixel 7a clobbers the premium Pixel 7 Pro in the bend test and the durability of the new handset is significantly better than that of the Asus ROG Ultimate 7. The Google Pixel 7a is priced at 43,999 rupees for the 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage model in India. It is offered in chalk, snow, and sea color options.